Hello students, welcome to class 4 subject English text. Today I am going to explain you the story. I hate bugs. So first I will introduce the characters of the story. In this story you can see one girl is there, her name was Maggie, and one grandmother is there. Okay? Gran, it means gran. Now I will do explanation of this story. So, this is a story about one girl. Her name was Maggie. One day, Maggie was watching a caterpillar climbing up the stem of a rose bush in her garden. Her gran was cutting the dead roses from the bush. Maggie said to Gran, "Look at this caterpillar, it's so ugly." Gran went near to the insect and said, "It was beautiful. It has a lovely orange shade. Soon it will become a lovely butterfly." Then Maggie said, "Bugs are ugly. She don't like them at all. And among them, she hates spider the most." Maggie walked to a big stone. It was lying in the dirt. She lifted it up, said to Gran, "See these roly-poly bugs," means short, round and fat bugs. Gran said to Maggie, "Why don't you lift the bug up?" To this, Maggie replied that the bug usually tickle and she is even scared of the bug. What if one of the bug bite her? Then Gran picked up one bug. It immediately curled up in her palm like a ball and said to Maggie that, "See, bug is afraid of me. It rolled up and will not open up again until it feels safe." Maggie watched the bug. It opened and began to crawl up on Gran's hand. Gran giggled and said, "It tickles." Gran told Maggie that, "You hold bug for a minute." Then Maggie hesitantly picked the bug on her hand. The bug crawled on her fingers. She shouted and said, "It tickled." The bug crawled all over her hands. Then Gran went back to her work. Maggie played with the bug for a few minutes. Then she picked up more bugs in her hands and arms. 5 roly-poly bugs were crawling. After some time, she kept them in the dirt. She enjoyed with them and told to Gran that they don't bite or hurt us until we disturb them. Gran said bugs are not bad. While they were talking with each other, a bumblebee buzzed around the flower that scared Maggie, and Maggie told Gran, "Run fast, otherwise a bumblebee would sting them." Gran told her, "No need to run, bee will not hurt me." It came to gather pollen to make honey, and it knows that she will not hurt it. Gran told Maggie to come closer and watch how the bee suckle the pollen from the flower. Then Maggie moved towards Gran and watched the bumblebee and asked Gran that its legs are covered with yellow stuff. "So what is that?" Gran told, "It's the pollen." They watched the bee moving from one flower to another flower. Maggie asked Gran, "If you will cut all the roses, how will it get pollen?" Then Gran told, "I am not cutting the roses that are healthy. Those who are healthy and alive, to them she living." So Maggie smiled and said that she wanted the bee as she liked honey a lot. After moments, she spoke, I don't think I hate bugs anymore. They are not so bad. Caterpillar turn into pretty butterflies and bee make honey. Roly-poly bugs tickle. Each of the bugs are helpful to us in some or the other way. But still, she was disliking the spiders. So Gran started laughing and gave a big hug to her. How we should judge anybody by the physical appearance? Each one is made by the God in a manner they made. Now I will narrate the story. So listen carefully. After narration of the story, I will ask you questions. So it was a nice and warm day. Maggie was watching a caterpillar climbing up the stem of a rose bush in her garden. Gran was clipping dead roses from the bush. Oh, look at this caterpillar, Gran. It's ugly, Maggie said. Gran stepped over to see the insect. I think it's beautiful. What a lovely orange said. Soon that will become a lovely butterfly, Maggie. I think bugs are ugly. Gran, I don't like them at all. I hate spiders, Maggie said. Maggie walked over to a big stone lying in the dirt. She lifted it up. Oh, look, Gran, roly-poly bugs. Gran went over to Maggie. Why don't you pick up one? They tickle, she said. No, Gran, I don't like bugs. What if it bites me? Maggie asked. Gran bent over and picked up one. It immediately curled up in a ball in the palm of her hand. See, Maggie, it's afraid of me. It rolled up and won't open up again until it feels safe. Maggie watched the bug. It started to open up and began to crawl up Gran's hand. Gran giggled. It tickles. Why don't you hold it for a minute? Gran asked. Hesitantly, Maggie held her hand next to Gran's. The bug crawled right onto her fingers. It does tickle, Maggie chuckled. She let it crawl all over her hands. Gran went back to work. Maggie played with the bug for a minute. Then she picked up few more. Soon she had 5 roly-poly bugs crawling on her hand and arms. Later, she put them back down in the dirt. That was fun. They don't bite or hurt us, she said to Gran. You see, Maggie, bugs aren't all that bad, Gran said. Just then a big bumblebee flew fast and landed in the roses near Gran. Gran, run fast. There's a big bee in the rose, Maggie cried. I don't need to run. The bumblebee won't hurt me. It's gathering pollen to make honey. It knows I won't hurt it. Come closer and look at it, Gran said. Slowly, Maggie moved towards Gran. They watched the bumblebee. Look, Gran, its legs are covered with yellow stuff. What is that? She asked Gran. That's the pollen, Gran explained. They watched the bee fly from one rose to another. If you cut all the roses off, Gran, how will it get pollen? Maggie asked. I am not cutting them all off. I am leaving the ones they are healthy and alive, she said. Good. I want the bee to have lots of pollen so that it can make honey. I like honey. Maggie smiled. After thinking for a few moments, she added, I don't think I hate bugs anymore, Gran. They aren't so bad. Caterpillars turn into pretty butterflies. Bees make honey and roly-poly bugs tickle. But I still hate spiders. said Maggie. Gran started to laugh and gave big hug to Maggie. Now I am asking you questions. Number 1. How was the day? The day was nice and warm. Next, who was watching a caterpillar? Maggie was watching a caterpillar. Next, where was the caterpillar climbing? The caterpillar was climbing up the stem of a rose bush. Next, who was clipping the dead roses? Gran was clipping the dead roses. Next question, what did Gran explain about the bugs? Gran explained that the bugs are beautiful. They have lovely orange shade. Soon they will become butterflies. Next question, why did Maggie not like bugs? Maggie did not like bugs because she thought they were ugly. Next question, which other insect Maggie did not like? She did not like spiders. Next question, what did Gran ask Maggie to do? Gran asked Maggie to pick up one bug. Next, what happened when Gran picked up the bugs? When Gran picked up bugs, it curled up like a ball in her palm. Next, did Maggie take the bugs? Yes, Maggie took the bugs. Next, what happened when Maggie took the bugs? The bugs crawled on her fingers, then after they crawled on her hands. Next question, with how many bugs did Maggie play? Maggie played with 5 roly-poly bugs. Next question, did the bug bite Maggie? No, the bugs did not bite to her. Next question, why did Maggie shout? Maggie shouted because she saw a big bumblebee. Next question, what did Gran tell about bumblebee? Gran told that bumblebee will not hurt me as it was gathering pollen to make honey. Next question, with what was bumblebee legs covered? Bumblebee legs were covered with yellow stuff. Next question, what did Maggie like? Maggie liked honey. Next question, what did Maggie say about caterpillar, bugs and bee? Maggie said that caterpillar turns into pretty butterflies, bees make honey and roly-poly bugs tickles. Next, whom did she still hate? She still hates spiders. Thank you.